Been to show you a sheephead fisherman's dream, right? Like people that sheephead fish, you gonna know what I'm talking about when you see this. There's so many I done ran a bunch on them off, but it's so many. I'm gonna see if I can sneak up and then run up on them. But man, this is fiddler crab heaven. Heaven. See a bunch of them right up in here running around. Watch this. Look out here, man. Look at all the crabs. Look at all the crabs. Look at all the crabs. Look at that. Man, that's a sheephead fisherman. Look at that. They ain't even scared like that. Look at that. Everywhere. Millions of them. Everywhere. Man, that's cracked up. Millions. Fast as fuck, wait. Fast as fuck, wait. Fast as fuck, wait. Fast as fuck, wait. Fast. I don't even want to step on none of them. But I mean, look at that. I mean, everywhere. Everywhere. So, whoa! But the tide out right now, man. So, I came out here right now. Cedar Key. Somebody was telling me to come out here, man. Kind of disappointed because the tide all the way out. I don't know what I'm finna catch, but I'm out here, man. You know, it's a beautiful day. You can see the sun out, man. I don't even know if the fish still on. But I don't know how the hell I'm gonna get him up though. I hope he's still on. Oh, he got off. Oh no, he's still there. He's still there. Yeah, it's a red. It's a red. Definitely a red fish. Definitely a red. Yep. That's what I came out here for, man. And it ain't. As you can see, I'm finna have a challenge to pick him up because look, it's the tide is out. He looked like a keeper. Yeah, nice little slot. I'm gonna have to heat. I'm gonna have to muscle him up. Oh, I hope he don't break this line. A 40-pound braid on here. It's a good thing he tired. Look at that. Oh. Oh man, look. That joker know he long. Oh man, already. Thank you, Lord. Bless. He long though. Yeah. Long body. You don't look bad. Like, I mean, I just got here. Like, literally, just got here. Come on, buddy. Okay, I hit him on a little small baby finger mullet, man. Look at that. Nice red, man. One spot. Let's get a measurement on him. And see if he's able for the taking. He got a rule out here. Oh yeah, he in slot. Check him out. He probably right at 26, 25 and a half. So this gonna be a keeper for the books, fellas. Cedar Key. Just got out here, man. Locked in. That's what's up right there. I just got in. Nice red. Pretty color on him, man. Pretty color. 26-inch red. Man. what it's about, baby. Just got here. Okay, so now I can get back to the intro. That's man, that's perfect when you catch a fish while you getting the intro in. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, I'm out here at Cedar Key. I'm over at Shell Mountain right now. The tide is all the way out, man. And I mean, it's all the way up. So you gotta excuse my face, the sweating, all that come with fishing anyway. You know what I'm saying? You see where I'm at? I'm out by myself right now. I just shot out here, man. Me and my son came out to the pier yesterday. We missed the drum and the sheephead. It wasn't really nothing going on. We didn't have enough time to lock in and set up shop to make a plan. You know, I just wanted to get him out the house. So he's gonna start coming with me on a lot of more fishing trips. But you can see some of this activity out here with all this bait fish out here behind me. I don't know if you can see all of that back there. A lot of bait in the water. There's a couple slots out here open, but it's a lot of oyster beds and rocks. Like, I mean, I didn't expect to get that red up here to pick him up. It's a good thing I was using 40-pound braid with the leader didn't pop. But yeah, that's what it is, man. I got a lot of bait. I'm gonna show you how I got the bait. Throwing the cast net, man, and it's a lot of bait in the water right now. I got a bunch of finger mullet, and I'm talking about I caught a lot of nice sized shrimp, man. A lot. You can see a lot of shrimp. So I was surprised to even catch a fish because there's so much bait in the water out here. But I ain't gonna talk your head off, man. I was sick like the last 2 weeks, man. I was real sick. I didn't have COVID, but I had some type of bug, man. So I ain't really been fishing as much, but I'm back. Got my weekends right. So every weekend I'm gonna drop a video, man. So I don't care if it's in the rain and I'm finna go fishing and I don't get the fish, I'm gonna post the video to show you I was going fishing. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do it like that, man. In the summer, we're gonna get right, man. A lot of more fish. We got a lot of more trips coming. Oh man, I just seen a real big blow up on the other side. A real big blow up. But anyway, stay tuned, man. Next time I turn the video on, man, hopefully I can have either a bigger red or another red or any type of fish, a black drum, anything. Hopefully the tide will come back in while I'm out here, because I have never seen this water this low. So if it's low now, and it's 6 o'clock right now, hopefully it'll start coming back in before I leave. Hopefully. If not, you know, we was blessed. God blessed me with one redfish to do it. Matter of fact, I can do a clean and cook on that. But stay tuned, man. I'll get with y'all. We got another fish on right here. I think it's a trout or a small redfish. Oh, it looks like a trout. Y'all see, got a dragon. The last one we caught was 17 inches. Might be 15. Might be. Get a measurement on him real quick. Yep. You keep him. 15. Tail on it. Let's do his mouth first, cause I don't want no trouble out here, cause they already came through here. So, yep, there you go, 15. There you go. Another nice trout. He swallowed that shrimp. I'm gonna show you another one I just caught. Just caught a 17-inch trout. Just caught him. Just picked him up, man. Nice trout. Hit him on live shrimp. Nice try. Didn't expect that at all. I thought it was a, oh shit! It's another one. Got another fish on, baby. Got another fish on. I think he let it go. I gotta set my tripod up, man. These fish biting and it's shallow water, man. I'm gonna get right back to y'all.